mass producible, large scale possible. So I have to make this available. Only then I can say that I have alternative. Till then I don't have alternative. There is no alternative as on now. And me becoming alternative maybe in next 3-4 years or 5 years maximum. That's only alternative. Otherwise, as on now, there is no alternative. That's only torture, suffering. That's why everyone is forced to go there. See, lot of things that forced memorizing and the examination system and all the inner image gets built due to the examination system are all scars done on your consciousness for ages. Understand? It's a scar on your consciousness almost whole life. Even in deathbed, when people get into deliria, they experience examination fear. In deathbed, when the fever goes up 104, 103 and they get into the delirium mood and all that, even at those moments, people experience examination. Means it has gone like a scar on the whole consciousness. They cannot grasp. They can only reproduce. They are making are also only to reproduce. Which is actually which is dulling the consciousness. Which is dampening the positivity. Understand? That is why this education system never produces geniuses. You guys are seeing that how I am going to produce these geniuses. Yesterday I was telling that I'll make all these guys spoiled brat. Now I'll give them so much power, so much outer world wealth, everything. They'll be spoiled brat, but not spoiled dirt. But outside society makes the kids spoil dirt. So much of non-involvement with life. You see, when you grasp and express, if this is encouraged, she will get involved more and more with the life, engaging with life.
Everything with the depth, engaging with life with the depth. Whether smiling at a person or even withdrawing from a person or connecting with a life, a river, poetry, life. Because life is all this, not just one car and one house and one spouse and 2 kids. Life is all this. And understanding the society, understanding the humanity, understanding the human minds, grasping life and its happenings. All this put together is life, ma. In all this, the involvement will reduce when you are forced to go into one tube. When you are pulled through one tube, then what you do? All this other flowering type, you become like a Christmas tree. Banyan tree. See me so wild in everything. In everything you can see my rawness and wild. Life should be like this. Everything you involvement to the extreme, involvement the every depth. It will naturally make you integrated, make you authentic, make you responsible, make you go on contributing. Yesterday I was talking to Mamta there. You see, you guys are all excited about this power demonstration and all this. Actually what I am looking at, only 1 month I need to convince others this is possible. After next month, convincing is not the drama. How to use this for raising the human quality life. The life of the human, the quality of the human life. I am already looking at that. See, within next 1 month, like how third eye is now established fact. Like this, within next 1 month, I will make this length as established fact. But that is not the achievement. Achievement is how we can use this to improve the quality of the human life on planet Earth. I already started looking at that direction. In that direction. So, it all boils down to go on enriching the society. When you have so much, naturally you will be going on sharing, enriching, going on sharing, enriching. What else to do? It is all about downloading, nothing else. Say, all the Vedic period education, Saptarishis, Rama, Krishna, all of them had Gurukul education. This is the way only. This is the way the Gurukul education was done. I should say not this many powers, maybe one power. Shivaji was given one power by Ramdas. Here I am looking at doing mass production. Yes. Why don't you guys pick up mic and ask?
The sessions for planning for the trip.
Yes.
It was such huge planning and everything was happening, but there was so much of joy, happiness when we were, talking to our team members. And when we went back to sleep at about like 12 in the midnight or 12:30, we were not able to sleep, Swamiji. Just
And
not able
we
to
sat
sleep.
whole day.
Yes, we sat the whole day and it was so fresh. And so active and so much of joy.
So you guys have started planning for the trip already? Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Good. It's actually both extremes. Intense excitement because you will hear and see so many stories, like people will show you the photograph of me from where Vibhuti is coming every day. These are all every day happening in Tamil Nadu. You will see at least 100 houses they have like this. Every day from this photograph Vibhuti Kumkum comes, and whatever I pray it comes here. All these are like regular happening. In Osur, one devotee's house, it seems she wanted to get into the flight and fly, and the flight ticket dropped. From the photograph, actually flight printed boarding pass dropped. Wow. And she went and flew and came back. Some inside India only, the to and fro both printed ticket dropped. Like this, all these stories you will hear so much.
So எப்படி நடக்குது சுவாமிஜி? How?
So see, their devotion to me, they just know I am Sadashiva. That depth cognition, by their very biomemory, they just know I am Sadashiva. It is not that whatever qualities I manifest, then they tick, oh, I think he is a good guru. I think, oh, he is an enlightened guru. No, I think he is enlightened and incarnation. Then, oh, maybe I think he is incarnation of Sadashiva himself. Not that. Just the depth catches. So when the depth catches, the materialization, teleportation thing starts happening just by their prayer. This Sadashivam, one girl was volunteering. Actually her mother only is bringing her up. Father is not there. Means father left them. So her friends all had some chocolate. She came and asked my photograph, you are my father and get me that chocolate. just full bag, 10 chocolate just dropped from the photograph. When they came and told that whatever she is asking from that photograph, it is dropping. We kept a CCTV camera in our house just to check whether she is lying or claiming true. It is true, we found. 7 items we have a CCTV recording. From the photograph, it just drops. Top. One anklet. Say all our friends have gone for some vacation. And when they came back, they all had some anklet. They went and teased her. She's only 11-year-old kid. Now she has grown up. When this happened, maybe 4 or 5 years before it happened, and she went and she came to the house and went to the photograph and said, all my friends are having this anklet. You are my father. Get me. It just dropped. That only we have a CCTV recording. We just kept a CCTV to see whether it's really what she's claiming is happening. Of course, internally I know it is happening because she's not lying, she's integrated. Just wanted the Sangha to know. 7 items we have a CCTV recording. From photograph it just appears and gets kicked out. No, what I am saying, no, I can do is one, she has a connection to me to the depth. That is what. See, I can do is different. I don't need to establish that. You understand? She has a connection that you will see all these kind of things. People who are living this in this trip. That's why I started telling. You will see all these kind of people living like this. And now 3 days before, one Sadashivam volunteer, his wife and daughter are from Salem, a very poor village, and they did not even have money to come for my birthday. So the daughter went and cried to the photograph, me and my mother are not even able to come and see you and have your darshan. Immediately I appeared from that photograph. They both saw me physically, and from that photograph around half a kg vibhuti has materialized. They just came day for yesterday. You heard, na? That girl.
So Swamiji,
so understand, when they can't come, I go there. That kind of people you can see. You can see that kind of people.
we will entangle our brain, our neurological functioning will entangle with these people too, right?
Yes. See, when you hear their story and when you logically analyze and find out they are true, they are not lies, immediately entanglement automatically happens. See, anything your logic scrutinizes and convinced becomes your cognition, depth. Then entanglement happens.
Because the logic has always been something I thought was an enemy, because it was always giving me
You see,
this-
one thing, no. It is enemy if it does not let you go to the depth. But sometimes logic can help you to go to the depth.
Yes.
See, for example, in this situation, now you are working with the Balasans. How much here you scrutinize and scratch and see them? They are real. They are not delusion. And they are not in delusion. They don't look hypnotized. And they are not hypnotized. They are more brilliant and sharp and responsive, spontaneous than any other child you see in the street. Very clear. Why? I am waiting, I am waiting for them to completely manifest at least this 50-60 power and 100 specimen. See, I wanted this to be established as a clear science, not as an individual's capacity. Then I have to produce a clear specimens. That job only I am sitting and doing. Otherwise they will try to reduce it as a one-child genius. They will not give the right credit to this whole science.
And the other thing that I started to think that was fearful is that when you have a precious commodity like this that can manifest these powers, it could be used maliciously, like with the stock market.
Actually, what I am saying, just because one nuclear bomb has been used, you can't deny the whole nuclear science to the world. And one more thing, at least nuclear thing, it is under nobody's control. In my case, all these are in my control. I can just lock anybody and finish stuff to zero. Nothing will be left. So, it's completely in my control. That you don't have to worry at all. See, as per the ethics of the enlightened being, I will never take away any power as long as they are integrated. They are not going to harm the humanity at large. But when that comes, automatically information comes to me and that's all. Nothing more is required. Done. Next. It's too easy to control. That is not a problem.
See, the fear that I had was not about them misusing the power. The fear was that the outside world, people in power, capitalizing on these kids and taking them or trying to steal them or
No, that cannot be done. If that, I can again play the game and you see, it's like a stealing atomic power, atomic weapon. They will not know what to do with it. They will be hurt.